Chinese warships are showing up in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Have you seen this article? Chinese state-run newspapers claim warships could soon be near Hawaii. Whoa. Listen to this. The U.S. Coast Guard encountered Chinese warships near Alaska's Aleutian Islands last month. Honolulu. Chinese warships could soon show up near Hawaii and Guam, according to China's state-run newspaper Global Times. The newspaper said warships could be on their way following claims that the U.S. Navy challenged international waters near Beijing. The Global Times editor-in-chief, Hu Xinjin, tweeted, "Hopefully when Chinese warships pass through the Caribbean Sea or show up near Hawaii and Guam one day, the United States will uphold the same standard of freedom of navigation. That day will come soon." The U.S. Navy responded to the tweet, saying they continue to uphold freedom of navigation and pointed out that Chinese spy ships have sailed freely near Hawaii in the past. The U.S. Navy, at U.S. Navy, was upheld the standards of freedom of navigation longer than the PLA Navy has existed. Here's a more recent example you may have forgotten. And this was by the Naval Chief of Information at CH Info, September 8. Is it loading that? I don't know. I'm just going to what they linked up here. Okay, what is this garbage? It's garbage. Alright. Now listen to this. Meanwhile, the U.S. Coast Guard recently released pictures of an operation near Alaska's Aleutian Islands last month, in which crews encountered 4 Chinese warships operating in international waters roughly 60 miles off the United States coast. While the ships were within the U.S. exclusive economic zone, they followed international laws and norms and at no point entered the United States territorial waters. Ladies and gentlemen, Chinese warships could soon be near Hawaii. Heads up. Have a good day. Bye.